The new policy announced by the Trump administration aims to have people currently in the United States pursuing green cards leave the U.S. and return to their home country in order to apply. Experts I spoke with tell me the announcement is sparking confusion and uncertainty among many, including potentially thousands here in Chicago. In this memo from U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, the agency directs officers to significantly restrict who can remain in the U.S. while seeking an adjustment of status or applying for a green card. In a statement from a USCIS spokesperson, they say, quote, "This policy allows for our immigration system to function as the law intended, instead of incentivizing loopholes."
It is going to create a lot of confusion, and it is going to prevent folks from applying for their green card when they are eligible to do so.
And Erendira Rendon is the vice president of Immigrant Justice for the Resurrection Project, which includes immigration legal services. Rendon says this policy change could affect thousands, primarily targeting people who entered the U.S. legally with temporary statuses such as student visas or temporary work visas and leaving them in limbo. Rendon says she believes that's intentional.
The ultimate goal is to make sure that folks continue to stay undocumented, or that folks fall out of status if they're losing potentially their current visa.
The administration saying like, we are just turning back the clock to what it's supposed to be. That's not at least how Congress has understood it.
Pedro Gerson of the Chicago-Kent College of Law says the administration's position is likely to be challenged, as he says policy has allowed people applying for an adjustment of status to legally stay in the country as the process plays out.
I think that litigation is coming down the pipeline, but also just the way, in regards to litigation, the way that USCIS is starting to enforce this, that will also give us an idea of exactly what it means.
As for what people potentially impacted should do, Rendon encourages them to get legal help.
If their green card is pending, they should talk to their attorney immediately to try to understand what could be the implications for their case.
USCIS said green card applicants in the U.S. provide an economic benefit or serve national interest will be allowed to stay in the U.S. as their application process continues. In the newsroom, Jacobo, CBS News, Chicago.